my crafty friends, I hope you're having a fabulous day today. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Today I'm excited to share a new project with you. I participated in the Prima Julie Nutting doll tag swap hosted by Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking. Before I review the tag in further detail, let me show you some of the items that I used to make this tag. I used this Julie Nutting doll. This is called Suzi. I used this Spellbinders die called Romantic Vines. I used this Crafter's Companion on the edge die, and it is called Beatrice. And I used this Prima Marketing Tropez collection. I actually used the 12 by 12 that has the copper foiling throughout. This came out a few years ago, but I think it is a timeless beauty. This is the tag that I created, and the theme for the project was summer. And what perfect way to represent summer than going to the beach. I love the way this Suzi doll turned out. I stamped her out using my Tonic stamping platform, and I scanned it into Cricut Design Space so that I can resize it appropriately for this tag. This tag measures just about 8 inches tall and about 5 inches wide. To make the tag, I used 2 pieces of 110-pound cardstock, and as you can see, it is a very sturdy tag, and we have this beautiful collage designer paper in the background. I found this clip art piece on Pinterest. It says "This Way to the Beach." On the back here, we have this beautiful die. This is a Crafter Companion on the edge die that I showed you. Here are little pops of the green floral vine. For my doll, I did layer her with this sparkly striped paper. She has a cute little beach bag with this glitter bow on top. I did have this floral spray here, and in between you can see little hints of seashells. We have this life preserver here at the bottom, and then I embellished that with these gems. And here's a larger seashell and another flower. In the background, I used a burlap and lace ribbon, and then I trimmed that with this pretty pearl flower trim. In the back, we have the lighthouse, and then we have this adorable little beach chair with the beach umbrella. Now, these watercolor clip art pieces I purchased from Etsy. I will be sure to include a link to the file. This was so much fun. All of these pieces are cut out multiple times and then backed on 110-pound cardstock. I did go over it with my Spectrum Noir glitter pen, and then we have another little floral spray here with another seashell, and then this adorable little hat here in the bottom. Let me show you the back. I kept the back very plain, and I've included information about this swap. Let me show you the box that I've made to go along with this. This is a box that I made. This measures 6 by 9, and on the front I used the pretty design paper from the Tropez collection. However, on the back I did use this heavyweight craft cardstock. I used a tutorial by Bona Rivera Tran. It is very simple. I will include a link to her video in the description box below. And in each of these, I've included some fun goodies for my swap partners. We had to create a total of 5 tags. To finish off the package, I put this very delicate sandy glitter tulle on the outside. And the reason I chose this color is because I wanted the paper as well as the copper foil detail to really shine through. And this color just reminded me of sand and the beach. So I kept it very simple, but I think it's very elegant. This concludes my review of my Prima doll tag. Hopefully I've inspired you with some fun and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that little bell so that you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye for now, and happy crafting!